My name is Scott Davis O'Rourke. We have had the Quarter Penny now since January of this year. Very busy cafe. It is open from 9 AM till 5 PM daily and offers a wide menu selection from sandwiches and wraps right up to a cooked meal. And we do have 2 self-catering apartments above the cafe. We have a need to provide high-speed internet access to those guests as well. It was very easy. Everyone can get on. The internet's working great, which is exactly what I want to hear. Before we had the fibre broadband, the signal was extremely poor. There was the issue of a mass amount of people trying to get on all at one time, and there was only so much bandwidth. Customer service is absolutely paramount to us. We have a vast range of people that visit the cafe, whether they're business people or mother and children going out for lunch, coffees, meeting friends. Everyone likes to be on Facebook, Twitter, watch their Sky Go to host one-to-one meetings in the cafe, and again require internet access for presentations, emails, and eventually the connection could cope. We're extremely pleased with what we're able to now deliver. We've only had it installed for a short amount of time, and at the moment we're seeing the short-term benefits. Cowbridge has been waiting for a long time for high-speed internet access, and it's great that we are the first businesses in Cowbridge to be able to offer that service to customers.